All right, this is the last part. So on your projects area, I want you to click on add a resource because we have to create an application that's going to talk to GitHub. So you're going to click right there where it says private repository for your, for your GitHub app. Okay, you're going to click that. All right, so you're going to click it. Then you're going to say add GitHub app. Okay, because you ain't going to have one there naturally. So you're going to say add GitHub app. Okay. So this is going to create you the link that talks to it. So you can name this whatever you want to name it. So name it whatever you want to name it. All right. You see me, I'm naming mine Zaldi. I don't know what I'm naming it, but I'm naming it something over there. What did I name it? Zalti Vulture app or whatever. System-wide app goes into later when you be adding other people and stuff like that. I'm going to turn it off because I don't want it on system-wide. Because somebody else, they need to connect to their own GitHub. Okay. There, just press continue. Okay. Once you press continue, like so, I want you to say register now where it says automated installation. Don't do the manual one because then you got to figure out all this other stuff. Okay. So you're going to click the automated one. And you're going to go to register now. Once you say register now, you need to either sign in. You should already be signing with your GitHub. Okay. Then it's going to ask you again what you want to name it. Okay, that's kind of weird what is naming it, but you can like name it without all them spaces and stuff. Okay, that's just so you know what the application does and what it's for. All right, so I'm naming mine Zaldi2 Vulture, whatever. Then I say create. Okay, and then boom, once it says create, now I need to install my repositories. So now I want all my repositories to be able to go to there, unless it's just certain ones, but I'm going to put our repositories for this thing. Once you have all the repositories, you don't need to change anything else. The client secrets, the webhook, the stuff that you would have had to do manually is there. You can press sync. Everything should be synced, and then just press save. Now, once you press save, now we are ready to start the application process. Okay, you're gonna like I said, you're gonna press save again, and now we're just going through, just checking our. I was just on sources, just checking it. But now, when we go in and we go to that first project that you're gonna have, and you say add resources, and now when you click on the repository, now our application is going to be there. And then once we do that, whoop, look at that. We're able to select all the things from our Git repository. And this is what you are going to need. Now let's get ready to code. See y'all on the other side. God bless y'all. I hope that helps y'all. And again, if you want to be in a cohort, you like videos like this, join. All right. It's cohort.theladyhell.com. Until next time, God bless.